Good afternoon. My name is Scott Rudler, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，感谢您收看本期直击美股，我是陈真理，在纽约向您问好。今天是4月4日星期二，今日股市整体低开，之后收盘时涨跌互现，可以说目前股市是进入了一个回调支撑的阶段。主要原因在于本周四，中国国家主席习近平即将对美国进行为期2天的国事访问。特朗普曾经在之前宣布，此次会议要达成共识是非常困难的。他建议美国企业需要另辟蹊径，不要在中国进行投资，而是应当在美国扩大就业。受此不确定因素的影响，华尔街目前整体处于观望阶段。在经济数据方面，美国商务部数据显示，美国2月份赤字整体下降接近10%，从1月份的482亿美元下降到了2月份的436亿美元。贸易赤字下降的整体原因主要在于进口汽车以及蜂窝电话有所减少。另一方面，2月份工厂订单整体减少。纵观全球，亚洲股市今日整体低收，欧洲股市涨跌交错。更多详细资讯，请关注今天的交易员访谈。Hi Scott, stocks traded mixed today and fluctuations grow as Trump-Xi summit approaches. What are your expectations right now?
Well, we've had 2 days of trading in the second quarter, 2 days of price discovery, and so far the S&P cash is still above the 50-day. So if you look here, it's getting really interesting. Why is that? Because the chart is getting tight. I love when charts get tight. First of all, this is when President Trump was elected. That got us back above the 8-21-day, and that's what ignited this prior rally. Then we talked about when momentum changed, when it broke below 2370, came into the 50-day moving average, which was support. You now have a descending trend line here. So if you want to take a close look, if you're a very active trader, you want to make sure this 50-day moving average holds. So at this point, there's a little bit of a fight going on. You have the 50-day right here. You have yesterday's low of 23.44 to trade against. And if we happen to take out this descending trend line, shorts get squeezed and we could head higher. If we continue to go this way and break this spot, then I think we're in for a little bit of trouble. So right now, I think traders are trying to be long versus S&P cash 23.44. And perhaps if we get above 23.60 and stay above it, we might start to get back, in rally mode. But, we'll wait and see.
China's President Xi Jinping is going to visit U.S. President Donald Trump this Thursday. Are there any U.S.-listed Chinese stocks on your watch list?
A lot of them. Today was a little bit of a weaker day for him. I've been riding Baba since before earnings. It's looked great. And now, at this point, I think I'm, a little on wait-and-see mode. Why? Let's first look at Baba. Baba right now, looks like it lost a little momentum, but at this point, it still looks okay as long as it stays above the 21-day moving average. We talked about this stock when it broke above the 21-day here, and it's been above it this entire time. So you want to make sure this trend continues, otherwise it could take a little bit of a discount. One of the things that has me a little concerned is Nates. Why does it have me concerned? Because Nates had a big gap up after earnings. It was going sideways, trying to hold it, and I thought perhaps it could break above it. It now broke below it, and it's below the moving averages, and after a big run like this, you have to be a little careful once you start giving away some of the momentum. Then you have Momo, which also has acted really well. And this one, I just want to make sure it doesn't follow the same scenario. So this is your support, your ascending channel here. If this Momo were to break below, just say 33.50, it also has come a long way. So at this point, it's been a very hot sector, and now it seems a little vulnerable and bending, but not broken.
Small caps extended decline. What's your expectations of this sector?
Well, the small caps and the banks were weaker before the S&P cash followed. So if the small caps continue to be weak, maybe that's some clues that the second quarter is not going to be the same as the first. IWM, I was short yesterday and actually covered. And at this point, you know what? It kind of pushed through this little trend line and failed. It's not the end of the world considering where it came from, because look how far down, it had to rally from like this 132 to here. But it starts getting much below today's low of 135.35. I think some, bulls will raise some eyebrows, some bears will growl. So at this point, watch this 135.35 pivot tomorrow. It gets below and stays below. I think it's more fuel for the bears versus constructive for the bulls.
Thank you so much. I think that's all for today.
Yep, and we'll have more tomorrow, and the trade keeps changing. We're in a new quarter, new relationships. We got to stay on the move. Before I really go, I just want to show you one quick chart. The The XLE, I promised that I would show it. I am long some XLE. It's at a trend line right here. This is your support. If it happens to break above this and hold above this, maybe there's some alpha in the energy names, and that's how I'll leave you.
好了，以上就是本期节目的所有内容了。感谢您的收看，祝您交易顺利。我们下期节目再见。